Hey, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a really cute soft glam everyday makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No time.
To conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in Medium Dark 5 Hazelnut.
To our favorite place, oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
And then for the underbrow, I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use the Nars Soft Matte Concealer, and this is going to be in Medium Dark 3 Amande.
Fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now?
Then I'm going to use this Kat Von D concealer brush in number 40. And I'm just going to use that to blend all this out.
Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
Okay, so to start off, I'm going to use this blurring primer by Cover FX. It's one of my favorites.
Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down.
I'm going to use the Nars Complete Soft Matte Foundation, and this is going to be in the shade Medium Deep 5 Marquises. This is one of my favorite foundations right now.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late.
Okay, so now I'm going to go on with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Amande. I've been really liking these little pot concealers. The consistency is different. It's thicker. Don't sleep on these concealers. And then I'm going to use my Kat Von D number 4 concealer brush.
And make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso.
You know you're my baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my concealer and I'm going to highlight my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my...
Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend this out.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind.
Now I'm going to take that same Fenty Matchstick in Espresso and I'm going to use it to contour the sides of my nose.
Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
So now I'm just going to dust all this powder off and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless finishing powder.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Taking just be. Don't take it.
So now I'm just going to spray my face using the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist.
And live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyes and my lashes off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner just to align my lip.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And then I'm gonna take this Laritzy lip gloss, and this is gonna be in the shade Crave.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
I didn't do anything on my eyelids. I just put concealer and set it. That's it. Yeah, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, as well as subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Till the next video, you guys. Love ya. Bye.
Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working.